for us, the shift to consumerism is really about a B2C or direct connection to the consumer, as opposed to all of the connections being through an employer. And that really means that we have to be in touch with individuals, what drives them, what motivates them around their choice, how do they want to be served. And so we really need to think differently about how we connect to that customer. Much of that is around asking the right questions, being open to different ways of engaging consumers. And I think the key word there is engagement. What we see is people design things and they assume the consumer are going to be attracted by things that are getting designed. We're really trying to reach out to customers, understand what they want, and build our interactions with customers in a way to be proactive about their needs and anticipate how we can best serve customers. Yeah, data is critical, obviously, and what we're trying to do is make sure that our organization thinks about data in a holistic way. Lots of organizations grew up with data being resident in a variety of different places in the organization, not well integrated, not being used to anticipate needs, really being used sort of on the back end of the process to analyze what happened as opposed to anticipating what will happen. We've taken an approach where we've built in our organization sort of a data czar who pulls together the data that we have across our organization. But what we understand is we have a partial view of a consumer. As we create accountable care organizations, the folks who are delivering care, they've got another view of the data. And so as we're more transparent with our partners, using data collectively, we then have the power of a much fuller view of the consumer, what they need, what they could need in the future, who's more likely to be in a certain set of circumstances, and that really helps us to anticipate the needs of customers and to be giving them the better set of choices. I think that transparency, the willingness to share and partner around data is absolutely critical for doing a much better job with data to serve the consumer in the ultimate way. I think consumerism actually raises the bar for all of us. You're not dealing with one decision maker as acutely as you were in the past. Critically, we have to serve employers and make sure we're taking care of them. But employers actually want us to be more of a consumer company because we're then sharper about taking care of each one of the people that they take care of. So whether it's a direct relationship that we have with an individual or whether we're serving somebody who's under an employer umbrella, we've got to be better at meeting each of the individual needs of our customers. I think that raises the bar for us. To me, that's exciting. It holds us accountable to a higher standard, and we have to do a really good job of thinking about all the various needs of the people we serve and making sure that we're on top of that game.